Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cancel an order on Depop. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Visit the Depop website or open the Depop app on your mobile device and log in to your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to your profile. You can typically find this by tapping on your profile picture or username. Look for a section labeled Purchases or Orders. This is where you can view all your recent purchases in sales. Scroll through your list of purchases or orders and locate the specific order that you want to cancel. Once you have found the order, there should be an option to cancel it. This option may be labeled differently depending on the platform, but it is usually something like Cancel Order or Request Cancellation. Some platforms may ask you to proceed with a reason for canceling. Choose the appropriate reason from the provided options or enter a brief explanation if required. After selecting the cancellation option and providing any necessary information, confirm the cancellation request. You may need to confirm one more time to ensure that you want to proceed with the cancellation. Once you have submitted the cancellation request, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the cancellation request has been received and is being processed. If you've already made a payment for the orders, check to see if you receive a refund. Refunds typically take a few days to process and may vary depending on your payment method and platform policies. So that's basically how you can cancel an order on Depop. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.